Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Carry here. So in this video we will talk about the very important type of assignment operators, right? This is one type of operators we used into a C programming or any other programming language. So in this video we will understand what is the job of assignment operator and how can we use that operator into a C programming. As per in previous video, you guys have very much clarity about the assignment operator, but let's talk about this assignment operator in this video. So what are assignment operator? So simply we have a the major job of assignment operator is to assign the value from the right side to the left side. So we have a different assignment operator. One is equal to, comma, so that is a one operating system, or not operating system, it's operator. So equal to is our operator which we used in previous program. Then we have a plus equal to, which is another operator with the combination of plus and whatever the arithmetic operators we have, like plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to. So what is the meaning of that? For example, x is equal to 10. So this is a one way to use assignment operator. So what is the meaning of that? We are assigning the value of 10 to the x, right? So that is the meaning of that. Here we have a multiple assignment, right? So we can use equal to for the multiple assignment as well, but the flow will be the same. It always assign the value from right side to the left side. So that is 20x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 20. So it means the value of x, y, z will be 20. Then we have a next example. Here we have a x is equal to x plus 1. That is a compound assignment. What is that? The equal to will wait for the plus of x is equal to 10, and when the addition is here, then it will assign the compound total of x plus 10 is equal to x, right? So that is here. So these are the three examples by which we can use the assignment operator. Then we have a x is equal to x plus is equal to 2. So what is the exact meaning of that, right? So x plus equal to, which means x is equal to x plus 1. For example, the value of x is equal to 1. So what is the x plus equal to 1? X will be 3. X is equal to x plus 2, which means x is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. What is the next? X minus equal to 2. So that is x is equal to x minus 2, which means minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So x will be minus 1 here. So next thing is x multiply equal to 2, which means x is equal to x multiply 2. So 1 into 2 will be 2. So value of x will be 2 here. So then we have a x divide equal to 2. So what is the meaning of that? X is equal to x divided by 2, right? So if we have a 1 divided by 2, so its value will be 0.5 or 0 if it's an integer variable. So we will see these example in a program, right? So let's go to the Turbo C, right? So the guys who are not still able to install the Turbo C can tell me, right? So we guys can do this. So the link of installation, that is the second video, how to install Turbo C in a Windows, right? You guys can go to the playlist that is mentioned into the description. You guys can go through. So here we have a previous example where we have do assignment. So here we can do something, we can do some extra thing. So here we have a is equal to a plus, for example, let's declare multiple variables. Int x is equal to y is equal to z, right? Let's do this way, x, y, z, right? And assign multiple value to that is equal to 20. So we will do test here, and compound we are already doing here, right? So we do not need to do that. So now what we will do, we will try to understand some example that we have used with the arithmetic and plus equal to. So let's go here. So let's do something like this. C is equal to similar A plus equal to 5, right? B minus equal to 2 and C into equal to 2. So that is the job here. So we will print now the value of printf, the value of x comma y comma z is like %d comma %d comma %d, right? So we have a here multiple value x comma y comma z. So this is the way by which we can print multiple values in a printf function. So guys who are not aware of that, they guys can keep note of this thing, right? Here, this is an example by which we can display the multiple variable in a printf, right? So next we have another operations. We can print f, then we have a plus equal to 5 is %d comma a, right? We will check the value of that and printf b minus equal to 2 is %d comma b, and then we have another example here, printf, then we have c multiply equal to 2 is %d. So this is C. So our program is ready now. So we will check that what will be the answer, and after that we will check that okay our operators are working fine or not, right? So we will first of all compile our program. So we have one error. Why is that? Declaration is not allowed here in we need to define variable in not here. So we are removing from here, and here we will define our variable with this x comma y comma z. Here we have, right? So here we have a multiple assignment. Save. Yes. Then again compile the program. So you guys can see we do not have any error here. So now run the program. So that is answer. So we do not have much clarity here. So what we will do, we will enter a /n here. So let's go here and put /n in every line. So we will take a second here so that we can understand. So our program is working fine, but we will do some better readability. So /n basically put your output in new line, right? So we will cover that all /n /t/d kind of things in a specific video. So we are going to save it now and we are going to compile it now, and you guys can see here error, no error, and we are running it. So you guys can see sum of a and b is 9. Okay, x and y is 20 20 20 is great. A plus is equal to 5 is 9. A was 4 and a is equal to a plus 5, which means 4 plus 5 is 9. Very good. Then we have a b minus equal to 2, which means b was 5. B is equal to b minus 2, which means b is equal to 5 minus 2, which means 3. Then we have a c. C is equal to C multiply is equal to 2. C, the value of C was a plus b, that is 9, and C will become C is equal to C into 2, which means C is equal to 9 into 2, and 9 into 2 will become 18. So that is here. So by seeing this output, we can say that the whatever we have studied in the theory, that is pretty much relatable with this example. So the guys who still not subscribe our channel, please do subscribe our channel by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, and do not forget to comment and like this video, right? And the guys who want the soft copy of this program, please comment into the comment section, right? And thanks for watching. Have a very good day.